Okay, this is a comparison of past tenses, and the same information is on the chart that's on page 124 in Grammar of Context 3. Okay, first of all, talk about the simple past. See if I can get this big now. Okay. First, we'll talk about the simple past. The simple past tense shows an action that started and ended in the past. It does not show the relationship to another past action, and it can be used for short action. For example, the mayor ordered the residents to leave. That's something that was short and sudden in the past. It can be used for a long action that finished in the past. For example, here, sorry, I went back instead of forward. Let me fix this. Okay, it can be used for a long action that finished in the past. For example, my grandmother lived in New Orleans for 30 years. That is a long period of time, but it's finished now. When I say that, I know that she does not live there anymore. And it can be used for single action. For example, the hurricane hit land on August 29th, 2006. That means it happened suddenly, one time. Or the simple past can be used for repeated action in the past. For example, we visited New Orleans 5 times. But whenever you use the simple past, remember you're talking about something that is finished and it's not true anymore. It's gone. Okay, the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense shows that something was in progress at a specific time in the past. So on August 26th, the hurricane was approaching quickly. The specific time in the past is August 26th, and at that time this thing was happening. Okay, as the water was rushing into the houses, residents ran to the roofs. And here, the water was rushing is a longer action, and in the middle of that, residents ran to the roofs. In this kind of sentence, oops, sorry, I have to go back. That happens very easily. It happens very easily. Hold on a minute. Okay, in that second sentence, when I do that, I'm usually using the past continuous to talk about something that lasted for a longer time, and then the simple past is for something that happened in the middle of it or interrupted it. Okay, sometimes I'm going to stop. And this is not in the book, but this is a crazy problem in English that I'm going to stop and talk about. Okay. I'm going to make this smaller so we can see it here. Okay, as can mean when or while, and in that case, this sentence, as the water was rushing into the houses, residents ran to the roofs, means while the water was rushing into the houses, residents ran to the roofs. But the same thing can mean because, as can mean because, and in that case, this sentence means something different. It means because the water was rushing into the houses, residents ran to the roofs, which of course is also true.